Alright guys, we're out here at Starved Rock and we came across this water puddle here. I'm going to zoom out so we can you can kind of see the whole thing here. And there are some frogs here jumping about. I don't know if I can get them to move again, but I walked by and there was some splashing going on here. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's see, where'd he go? Let's see if you can... there's a frog over there somewhere though. You can kind of see the plume like right there of dirt. He's in there somewhere. Oh, there he is. There's one of them right there looking at me. Let's see if we can zoom in on him. There he is. A frog in the wild. We will slowly back up. It is not to disturb the frog in its natural habitat.